Hi YouTubers and web chambers everywhere, it's MargaretGeorgeTune.com. I'm back with another video. And yes, it's another unboxing video. Boy, I got a lot of nice stuff coming in the mail lately. This came today. And you know, I'm going to be real careful opening this up. I'm going to open it up. Matter of fact, I was going to think about cutting it up over here. But this is the top of the product right here. This is the bottom. And this is where I'm going to open it up. I'm going to cut across right here like this. And pull it out that way, because I think it's a bit safer. Yes, it is, because look at what we have here. It's a brush. Let's get this unwrapped. Nicely wrapped. Wow. Da, 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 da. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This is, wow, isn't that beautiful? This is called the Game Changer. And it came from AMAC for Shaving out of Florida. He has an Etsy storefront, and this is super soft with a lot of nice backbone, and it really is. I mean, it's called the Game Changer for a reason, because it's super soft. It's a synthetic brush, super soft, nice backbone, and it ups the bar as far as softness and backbone for synthetic brushes. And it absolutely looks gorgeous. It has a beautiful handle. Nice, just nice deep black with a lot of nice sheen to it. Really nice knot. I believe it's a 24mm knot. Really nice. And very soft. So we're going to take it through its paces. I can hardly wait to use this with the shave. I'm going to do a video on this, see how it performs and stacks up against some of the other synthetic brushes. But it's named the Game Changer for a reason. So we'll find out if it lives up to the reputation. I can tell you right now, its reputation, I can tell you right now, this is soft. And it does have nice backbone. Really, just very soft. So if it's soft here, imagine how soft it's going to be during the shave. So that's what I wanted to show you. We're going to be doing a video and taking it through its paces. And synthetic brushes have really come a long way. They really have. It's just amazing how soft these are when you compare them to natural hair brushes. And they do have other advantages. They clean up a lot easier, and they retain a lot of water, that sort of thing. So, the Game Changer, AMAC for Shaving via Etsy. Really happy I got one. It's part of my synthetic brush collection. Check it out. And so I wanted to share with you. Thanks very much for tuning in. To all of you who have subscribed and continue to share these videos, my sincere, heartfelt thanks. I'm well over the 1,000 minimum mark needed for subscribers to continue this channel on YouTube. I really do sincerely appreciate it. Please continue to share the videos and encourage other folks to subscribe, because I really want to provide more content regarding shaving, men's grooming, and other things that interest me and interest you. So thank you very much to everyone out there. And thanks very much for tuning in again. So comment below, let me know. Check out my blog, georgetune.com/blog, for my comic strip George, other cartoons, other videos like this, and I'll see you again real soon.